The Good You Make My Heart Honk Silly Goose Valentine's Day t-shirt is the perfect combination of humor and love, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to add some fun to their Valentine's Day wardrobe. Featuring a playful and endearing design, this t-shirt delivers a light-hearted message with the phrase, "You make my heart honk, silly goose." It's a charming way to express affection, whether you're gifting it to a loved one or wearing it yourself to share a smile. The quirky reference to a silly goose adds a unique touch, making it not just a t-shirt but a conversation starter, spreading joy wherever it goes. Made from 100% cotton, this t-shirt ensures a soft, comfortable feel that's perfect for everyday wear. Cotton is known for its breathability, which makes the fabric lightweight and pleasant against the skin. Whether you're wearing it during a cozy night in or a fun Valentine's Day outing, the natural fibers of cotton allow for a soft touch that keeps you comfortable all day long, while also providing durability to withstand frequent wear. Its breathable nature also makes it perfect for layering during the colder months or wearing on its own when the weather warms up, making it a versatile option for different seasons. Whether you're planning to enjoy a romantic dinner, go on a casual date, or simply relax at home, this t-shirt will keep you comfortable while showcasing your playful side. The Good You Make My Heart Honk Silly Goose Valentine's Day t-shirt is proudly manufactured in the United States, ensuring a high level of quality and attention to detail in every piece. Good You Make My Heart Honk Silly Goose Valentine's Day t-shirt, tank top, v-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Show your love this Valentine's Day with our playful Good You Make My Heart Honk sweatshirt. Celebrate love with our Good You Make My Heart Honk tank top. Perfect for Valentine's Day fun. Spread love this Valentine's Day with our Good You Make My Heart Honk ladies tee. Spread love this Valentine's Day with our quirky Good You Make My Heart Honk hoodie. Celebrate love with our Good You Make My Heart Honk t-shirt. Perfect for Valentine's Day. The shirt is Good You Make My Heart Honk Silly Goose Valentine's Day t-shirt to last, retaining its shape and print even after multiple washes. The print itself is done with precision to ensure that the cute design remains intact, offering a long-lasting statement piece that doesn't fade or peel easily. The t-shirt's fit is both flattering and practical, offering a range of sizes to suit different body types while maintaining comfort throughout the day. It's perfect for anyone who wants to bring a smile to the face of someone they care about or simply enjoys a good laugh. This t-shirt is more than just a Valentine's Day garment. It's an expression of affection and lightheartedness. Whether you're giving it to a partner, a friend, or even wearing it to celebrate your own sense of humor, it serves as a fun and endearing way to say, "I love you," with a twist. It's a refreshing departure from the usual serious or overly sentimental Valentine's Day gifts, offering a more playful approach to expressing love. The design's clever wording and cheeky sentiment can bring warmth and laughter to anyone's heart, making it a fantastic gift for anyone who loves to share in moments of joy and humor. Perfect for Valentine's Day but versatile enough for year-round wear. The Good You Make My Heart Honk Silly Goose Valentine's Day t-shirt is a must-have for those who love to blend humor with heartfelt affection. With its soft, comfortable cotton fabric and high-quality construction, it ensures that you'll not only look good but feel great as well. Whether you're celebrating love with your partner or simply sharing the lightheartedness of the season with friends, this t-shirt is sure to make a statement, bringing laughter and love together in the most unexpected, delightful way. Other product